Good news for me. I found the road tracks. So I hiked in here, it was snowing, got lost, and then I decided to follow the deer, see? They know the way out. There's no Google map back here. Now check this out. We're gonna see something pretty. Look. We're gonna see if a train is coming. Look at that. No train. As far as you can see. Wow. Okay, I'll try my... Ooh, no. I was gonna try balance, but I don't think so. Wow, yeah, I've been lost. I wonder if this is open. Get in there and warm up. No, that'd be a federal offense. It's federal property here. But what a view. Now, I'm not going back in those woods. I got lost once. It's easy when there's no snow. So I got no choice. I know where I am and I've got to run back into town, and there's no short way. Okay, I think well, okay, I want to admit I had a pizza for breakfast, but it's okay. I guess I ought to run it off. Have a good day.